Welcome to Geo. Bachara, today we shall discuss about the formula of area of a circle and how to find out that area by inductive method through an activity. We shall discuss that one. For that purpose, we have taken one lead, and by the help of that lead we have to make a circle. By the help of compass also we can make it. So this is a circle. Now we have to cut this circle according to its perimeter or according to its border. During this practical activity, some errors will come, but we have to ignore that one. Okay, now circle is ready. Now we have to fold it and we have to make 16 small pieces, equal pieces of this paper. Now we have to cut it into 16 equal pieces. You can see here all the 16 equal pieces has been formed. You can see here all the 16 pieces are near about equal in shape, and the 16 pieces of paper of a circle we shall try to arrange in a specific manner. If we arrange in this manner, then one side will be the half of the circumference of a circle, of the circle. After the complete arrangement, you will see this arrangement is just looking like a rectangle. It will take a rectangular structure, and in this rectangular structure the length will be the half of the perimeter of the circle. Let's see. Now you can see this is a rectangle and this is the length of the rectangle. This is the breadth, this is the length, and this is the breadth. You can see here total 16 parts are there. We shall try to place these all 16 parts on a white paper by the help of glue. It will help us to calculate easily. So now all the 16 parts has been attached here. We are going to number these parts. Now this is the length of the rectangle. Just I am drawing one line. This is the length. So you can see here half perimeter, here half portion, here half portion, here half portion, here half portion. Like that way, half portion of the perimeter is situated that side and half portion of the perimeter is situated this side. So actually the length of this rectangle is half of the perimeter of the circle. So if this is a circle, suppose this is a circle, so we know the perimeter is 2 pi r, or circumference is 2 pi r. This is the rectangle, and this the length of this rectangle is half of the perimeter of the circle, means 2 pi r. So 2 will cut and then pi r will remain. And this breadth is actually the radius of the circle. You can see here, this is the center and it was the radius. According to the radius, we cut it the parts. So the breadth equal to r, and in this rectangle we know the area of the rectangle is length into breadth, means L into B, means pi r into r, means it will be pi r square. It will be pi r square. So actually the area of the circle is pi r square. This is the formula. So the formula of area of a circle is pi r square. It was the area of rectangle, and we got it. Pi r square is the formula through an activity by inductive method.